everybody, Amanda here, MVP Realty. Who doesn't want to live in a community where it's 5 minutes out to the river? I mean, you walk out your back door, into your boat, and out you go. So in the Cape Coral Yacht Club, that is literally what happens. People just walk out their back door, down to their boat, and out to the yacht club. No bridges, direct sailboat access, golf access, all at your fingertips. So if that's something that you're thinking that you would like to do, click the link below and let me provide you with a list of homes that are available in the Cape Coral Yacht Club and the amenities. Or if you're looking to sell your house in the Cape Coral Yacht Club, click the link below and let me provide you with a free CMA. Or give me a call, 419-771-0215. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.